In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to contact Amazon seller support and a little secret hack that I use to get on the phone with them right away. So this will be very brief and we'll go ahead and get into this. So first, right, you may need to contact Amazon seller support for some reason and you've just found it really difficult to get a hold of them. What you want to do is log into your Amazon Seller Central account, and in the top right hand of the screen, click on Help, as you can see right here. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on the Get Support button right down there in the footer section. Step number 3, click on Selling on Amazon. Once you're there, you can honestly click whatever makes the most sense for the issue that you're trying to solve. But generally, the majority of the time that I'm contacting Amazon, I will click on or my wife will actually do this a lot of the time. We'll click on the Fulfillment by Amazon button, as you can see right there. So click on Fulfillment by Amazon. Okay, and then there, I always click this, right? Investigate other FBA issues. This is the little kind of secret hack if you want to get on the phone with seller support right away. So investigate other FBA issues. Go ahead and click on that. When you open under here of what issue do you need help with, again, if your issue is kind of listed right here, you can go ahead and select that. But in general, I will select other FBA issue. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, you'll get to a page that looks like this where you'll need to just enter in a description of your issue. What I would highly recommend is putting as much detail into the description as possible. This is going to save both you and Amazon seller support as much time as possible. So it's just the most efficient way. So make sure you really fill that out with as much detail without going overboard, of course, and click on Continue. Once you do that, you can go ahead and scroll kind of to the bottom right below the description section. You'll enter in the Aysen up to 5 or Aysen SKU, FNSQ. Usually I just enter in the Aysen and I can add up to 5 of whatever issue that I'm having. Okay. Then again, this is key, of course, pretty self-explanatory. You have the option of contact method either by email or phone. Go ahead and click the phone option, enter in your number, click call me now, and you should get a call from Amazon seller support ready to help you and solve your problems as they do. So yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward. Just keep in mind, depending on when you see this video, some things may be slightly different. If anything changes, be sure to let me know and comment below on this video, and I will kind of update or make any necessary changes that I need to. But hopefully this is helpful. Let me know how this works for you, and I hope it works as well for you as it does for us. So thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.